Jacqueline, I'm beginning my own personal campaign, my own personal drive towards the great American solar eclipse. We're only 40 days away. I am so super excited about this. It is on August 21st. It is the first solar eclipse on American soil since 1991, the first on the mainland since 1979, and the first to sweep across the entire USA since 1918. We'll be able to see the totality in Oregon beginning in the morning hours. It ends in South Carolina by noon. We will only see partial solar eclipse here in San Francisco, but make sure you have those eclipse glasses. You've been warned. Start working on that now. Morning, everybody. We have lots of solar out there. We say clearer skies across the bay this morning. Bright sunshine in the San Jose area. It's 60. But it's 49 in Santa Rosa, clear skies there. Winds make all the difference. They have been rotating all over the place this morning. They are calm in Santa Rosa, thus the cooler conditions. Winds will be variable later today, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Satellite radar, high pressure ushering in some monsoon moisture into the desert southwest. Meanwhile, it's still been tracking the remnants of what was a hurricane. It is Eugene, and it's still churning up some surf here locally. A lot of people heading to the beaches for some relief this weekend as our temperatures top off in the 100s. But there's the remains of what was once a hurricane, now just a tropical depression. But it's churning up the high surf in Southern California. As far as we're concerned, in the yellow highlighted area, that's where we have a beach hazard statement in effect for dangerous rip currents and also sneaker waves all the way into Monterey. Onshore, 94 state capital, 81 in the high Sierra. Our numbers, they're really typical of where we should be for this time of the year. 67 degrees San Francisco, that is spot on. 83 San Jose, that's where we should be. 90 and throughout Livermore, 86 San Jose, 92. That is the hot location towards the Delta. Notice the 100s return away from the bay over the weekend. That's your Wednesday forecast.